how to log into your Aetna Member Portal online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your aetna.com, and then from there, what you're gonna do is simply tap on the login button that you'll be able to see right here on the top right corner. Then from here, you can simply tap on member login button. After doing that, we'll get into the login page of Aetna, and then from there, all you need to do is add in all of the credentials of your account. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply write in the user ID or the email address, and then from there you can add in the password of your account, then tap on login in order to complete your sign in, and just like that you will successfully be able to log into your Aetna Member Portal online. So just like I said, add in your username and password, then tap on sign in and do it like that. Or you can even tap on the option sign in with a code in order to like sign in with a code. So but for that you'll actually need to write in the username. So you can tap on sign in with a code, and then you'll actually be able to get a code on your email address, and then you'll be able to log into your account like that too.